In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Arlo app on Android. We'll use the official and safest method so you can get the right app without any hassle. By the end, you'll have Arlo installed and ready to open on your phone. First, a quick overview so you know what you're getting. The app you want is called Arlo Secure Home Security. It's free to download and it lets you monitor your cameras, receive alerts, and manage your security system from your Android device. It requires Android 9.0 or newer, which most modern phones support. The download is roughly 150 megabytes or more, so make sure you have enough storage available and try to use a stable internet connection to keep the process smooth. Now, let's get it onto your phone. Start by opening the Google Play Store. This is important because the Play Store is the safest source for Android apps, and using it helps you avoid tampered or unsafe versions. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Arlo Secure. You'll see results appear as you type. Look for the listing that shows the developer as Arlo Technologies, Inc. That developer name is your confirmation you're looking at the official app. The full app name should read Arlo Secure Home Security. Once you've found the correct listing, tap it to open the app's page. Here, you can double-check details like the name, developer, and description, just to be sure you're on the right one. When you're ready, tap Install. If your connection is solid, the download will begin immediately. On slower connections, it might take a few minutes. Using Wi-Fi is usually the most reliable option. While it's installing, you'll see a progress indicator. Try to keep the app in view until it finishes to avoid any interruptions. If your device warns you about low storage, you may need to free up space and then return to the same page to continue. When the installation completes, you'll see an Open button. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Arlo right away. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the official Arlo app on Android. Before we wrap up, a couple of safety reminders. Always download Arlo from the Google Play Store to protect your device. Avoid random APK sites as they can be unsafe. If you don't see the app, your phone might be running an older Android version that isn't supported. You're ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Arlo Secure to keep an eye on what matters most.